Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to ask a question in the Brainly app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just have to tap on one of these buttons in this row, in the ask a question row. We can either type it in, so for example, I don't know, how do trees grow, and then search, and here we can find questions, similar questions, or we can ask a question selecting a subject, and then selecting our grade, and then just tapping on done. For example, this question relates to biology, and it could be in the 5th to 8th grades. And we can submit this question by tapping on ask it, and then someone from the community would probably give an answer here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.